Okay, hello everybody. We are continuing on working on this auto script. So here is our character. I need to load the script that we have right here. Let's make this a little bit bigger so that you guys can see it easier. Right now, if we run this script, it basically creates the skeleton and parents everything together. So that is great. And if okay, so we can run the script here and delete everything. Because we have a secondary script that just clears the scene for us. Okay, so let's create a UI. Let's define UI. Let's make this capital. And then now we don't need to run both of these anymore. We're going to be running it in the UI, but we could leave it there for right now. But let's comment it out. Oopsies. In case we want to bring it back in. Okay, so here we can do a condition statement if give me a second. Okay, so if mc.window, and then we can give it a name. Let's think of a name. I'm gonna call it AP or CGI nerd auto rig window. So that's going to be the name of the window. It's a long name. Exist equals true. Then let's go back. Need a colon at the end of here. mc.delete UI. And then let's copy this. Okay, now that we have that, we can go back here and go mc.window, and then let's paste that. And then mc.window, show window, and then we can give it that name. There you go. And then after we've done all that, let's just run UI. Okay. Save that and run this. Syntax error. Oh, I have a underscore here. That should be a close parentheses. Let's try that now. There we go. We have a window. It was created. And then here we can tell it mc.column layout mc.button, and then let's say label equals create skeleton. Okay, let's take all this and run it. We have a create skeleton button. It doesn't do anything. We have to say comma command equals then for the command we tell it what command we want to run. So we have to create skeleton. I think we could do it without the open close parentheses, but let's try that and see. Oops. Let's adjust this window really quick. Let's run everything. Create that, and it didn't do anything. Okay, so let's add the open close parentheses and try again. There we go, we created all the joints. So this is great for us because then now we can go ahead and make some adjustments to where these joints are placed. And when we run the next part, then it will parent it in that position. So let's clear all of these and let's do that. And then this next button is just going to be create rig. So button label equals create rig, and these should probably be more user friendly. So let's do it like this. I mean command, let's do a function because I'm going to run multiple functions in there. So it's going to be C equals create rig. Okay, then we will define create rig. And right now for create rig, all we are doing is parenting the joints. Oops. Okay. So we can go to the next line and paste that. Now we don't need either one of these. Let's save this script and try running this again. So we have two buttons now. Create skeleton and then create rig, where it parents everything together. So let's try the create skeleton here, and you'll see that if we take these elements like this, we can adjust whatever we needed. Just making some random adjustments, and then we click create rig, it will connect everything together. And says my command error line 62. Let's check that. So let's go here and do mc dot select CL equals true. So it's going to clear the selection in case the user has something selected on accident. So let's clear all of the joints and let's save this and try running it and make sure we don't get any errors. So we create that, then we adjust it, and we can create rig. And now you can see we don't have any errors because it's not trying to parent anything weird. But the skeleton is going to be created, and all the rig and everything that we do, it's going to be created to whatever proportions we set this up at. All right, so that is the start of what we are doing now. Basically going in and creating a UI that we can start working on and then trigger specific actions when we need it to happen. And if we made different additions later, like we can have a button that says like delete rig, so that way it just deletes the controls and things like that. And then we can create rig again. So if there's something broken with the rig, it will kind of fix everything that we have. But this is working for the UI for now. So thank you. We'll see you guys in the next video.